make a little pretty flower kind of thing with the mushrooms in the middle.
Oh.
Don't know how long it's going to take, but we'll see.
Wow! Look at this!
Hey bunnies! Do you like the leftovers? Got my food. That's a fair amount of arancini balls and they smell so good. They gave me wooden knife and fork, a paper straw, and that's a big bottle of sparkling water. But I'm so hungry, so I'm gonna eat one and get back to you guys in a jiffy. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my PJs that I bought from Bond, and I look like some form of Naruto or Airbender character with my Bior nose strips. But this is what I look like when I go to bed. So, yeah. What do you guys think? This I got on sale. I think it was 40 or 50% off, but it's cute. It has pockets on the sides and on the bum. This top is a crop top with an built-in bra or a bustier or whatever it's called, but it's very comfortable, very easy to wear, very stretchy. So yeah, this is my PJs for the summer, for the spring, because Australia likes to have the opposite. What is it called? Season. I am so tired. I need to get to bed. But I have to wait for these to finish, and then I'll peel it off and I'll go to sleep. What's up? Way downstairs to get some ingredients for my Japanese MILLEFEUILLE nabe. I feel like I butchered the name completely, but it's delicious. It's healthy. We got our veggies. We got wombok, mushrooms, bean sprouts, and some Asian veg. I might get a packet of rice or noodles or something. We definitely need meat. There's so many choices. I don't know which stuff to do. Ooh. We got all the ingredients. Now we're ready to cook some nabe. I'm sitting on my office chair because I'm too lazy to squat. Today we are going to be making nabe, which is a Japanese hot pot, but to stuff everything into a pot instead of cooking as you go. So I got this one right here, and the way we're going to do it is we're going to stack the wombok Chinese cabbage with these beef strips and make a little pretty flower kind of thing with the mushrooms in the middle and the bean sprouts on the bottom. So hopefully it'll turn out well. I'm going to have the kimchi flavor. This is one of my favorites. I had it in Japan and I found it in the Asian grocer in Sydney. So yeah, I'm going to see how we're going to go. So first we're going to get the bean sprouts. Obviously, we are going to wash it. I've just washed my bean sprouts and we're going to cover the bottom of the pot with it so we have a good base to work with. And I think they're just yummy. So I don't know how much I need. I washed the whole bag of bean sprouts. So we'll see. Someone's home.
Hey, Biss.
Hey, Biss. I'm recording while I'm making this stuff. So we have the bottom all covered with bean sprouts. And now we're going to do the fun stuff. So,
did you already go downstairs?
I did already go downstairs.
Oh.
This is everything. I've already started recording.
Oh.
Don't know how long it's going to take, but we'll see.
Oh.
I hate cutting full vegetables.
But
It's
the
cheaper,
house
it's
smells so
better.
good.
Does it? I clean the house. I clean the house. And I'm being a noob at the moment because, you know, making a YouTube video. What's up?
Is this on record right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're like, "Wah."
I was gonna say something, but I was like, maybe after recording.
You're like, maybe not demonetize me before I get a good point.
I know, right? Exactly.
Yeah. Alright. That's done. really need a nap. You know that if you take a nap now, it's gonna screw you.
No, I only slept for like 2-3 hours, so I'm just like...
Yeah, but it's better to push through though. I don't know. Let's get this one book peeled and rinsed. So, I think we'll B-roll this section. You know what, I just realized I could just do this. Yeah. I'm going to give this to my bunny, but in portions, in smaller portions, so should be fine. All of this. I might stuff these before I cut them. Yeah. I'm too lazy to slice the meat myself, so I bought them pre-sliced. It is more expensive, so if you have the time or have a meat slicer, probably better to do it that way. Okay, so now we're going to start stacking it, then chopping it, and then putting it into the pot. Probably want it around maybe a third, and I'll cut the tip off. Cool. So, I feel like it would be easier to cut if my meat is still half frozen. Anyway, so we shall see. I saw the photo of this on Google Images, so that's where I got the idea from. I have never made it before, but it looked pretty easy. It looked pretty straightforward. I tried it for my housemate who was a chef and asking questions. I was too shy to ask my mum because she's a really good cook and she'll end up making it fancy. And I was very lazy. So, oh, there we go. I don't know how thick I should do it. Maybe there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe we'll do a lucky 7. So now we're going to flip it. Wow, it's so much easier to cut when it's partially frozen. I'm going to keep this one on the side as a sizing reference. How it goes. I'm going to try and keep this one to the edge, I think. So, in here like so. Ooh! It's turning out better than what I expected. I think the sprouts are really helping holding up the things. Oh wow, okay. And I'll stack this one here. Look at it! It looks like a pretty flower. This is turning out so much better than what I expected. Okay, so we'll do a few more stacks. Amazing. So I've stacked it all around, all almost the same size. Oh, I'm gonna wash my hands. Now I'm going to put the mushrooms into the middle of the hot pot just because it looks pretty and it gives it a nice flavor. So we'll see.
Is it NABE or
Nabe.
NABE? Yeah. NABE was something else. I can't remember what it was.
NABE is that sushi restaurant.
Oh, yeah.
The mushroom doesn't look as pretty. I thought I had carrots, but I didn't. Well, actually, I do have carrots. Oh, I'm going to make... carrot flowers. So, I saw this on Google Images too. Makes it a little bit cuter. Ta-da! It's all done. All of this is going to go to my bunny. I don't even know how to say it properly, but MILLEFEUILLE. MILLEFEUILLE. You know the stacking cake, the layered cake? It's basically inspired from that, but a hot pot version with Chinese cabbage or wonbok, beef slices, mushrooms, and I'll be using this kimchi soup base for the Japanese hot pot. It's by Daisho in medium heat. But yeah, instead of doing this, we are going to make this. Oh my gosh, look at this. I even made these cute little wow, you cannot make these easily. So please comment, like, and subscribe. The afternoon sun is glaring into my eyes. The lighting is going to change. This golden glow is going to disappear in 3, 2, 1, peace. This looks freaking amazing. Now we're going to pour this into the hot pot, put it on the stove for a few minutes, and see what happens. I'm going to be so hungry editing this video. Let me boil the kettle too. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Let's see if I can do it. Oh wow, it smells so good. Let's pour this in. Ah, look at this. Alright, I'm going to put some hot water into here and pour a little bit more just to fill it up to the top. Now, I'm going to put this lid on, take it to the stove. Look how good it looks, you guys. Wow, I am so proud of myself. And this was dead easy, this. Right. Low heat, because I know I have the sprouts on the bottom. I'm going to see how it cooks. This is the, I guess, leftovers from the veggies. Instead of wasting it, I'm going to give it to my bunnies. This is, let me turn on the light. Oh, look at that. I wonder if I could do it again. Okay. Let's see. Ciao. Look at that. It looks spicy. We also have, because you gotta have candles because we bougie, some rice to make congee afterwards. We're only going to use the noodles from this packet because it's pretty yum. And this is our setup. Ah. Hey bunnies, do you like the leftovers? Yeah. It is night time, we're ready for dinner. And look at that gorgeous view. Don't know if, oh look, there's a phone inception. So, we're just waiting for the boys to arrive. Then we're going to get the soda stream going with the soda press. and dinner.
Woo!
Woo! Hey.
Cheers!
Dinner's all done. Living room is back to normal. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to smash the like button for the algorithm, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Bye bye.